Aryan Institute of Engineering and Technology. Our vision, knowledge empowers, values ennoble, creating the convergence of knowledge, skill and value. Our mission, exploit virgin talents for all-round excellence, promote value-based education, research, innovation and entrepreneurship, and producing human resources empowered with expertise and technology by AI, engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science, AI, computer counter, health, cricket, basket and tennis court, internet, no, food to all students, boys, the college, bus, MBP, connect, and efficiency. Tennis court, Wi-Fi campus with Giga Ethernet technology, transport and food facility to all students, hostel inside campus for boys and girls, tutorial classes after the college hours, power backup inside the campus, library with AC reading room, 10 Mbps internet connectivity, yoga and meditation center, well-equipped workshop, 24-hour security service, experienced and dedicated faculty. Laboratories provided at AIET: Physics Laboratory, Chemistry Laboratory, English Language Lab, Engineering Drawing, Central Workshop. To be the most sought-after department by all the students, AIET shall conduct summer training programs. The department will conduct regular seminars and workshops on the frontier areas of electronics and communication engineering by inviting experts from the field. Library, an academician paradise, the AIET library has comprehensive collection of literature predominantly related to engineering and allied subjects. The library has an excellent collection of books and journals on engineering, management and allied subjects. Open access system enables the reader to locate and access information easily. The faculty of AIET has been chosen through a rigorous process of selection who can contribute to the building up AIET's culture marked by esprit de corps, confidence, mutual respect, concern for students, hard working, having social values, personal maturity and integrity. AIET offers the following courses leading to the degree from the Biju Patnaik University of Technology: Civil Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Academic eligibility: Candidates who have passed Higher Secondary Examination Orissa or examination recognized as equivalent thereto, and a rank holder either in Orissa JEE or AIEEE are eligible for admission. For AIEEE students, admission through online registration within the specified period. The Aryan Institute of Engineering and Technology, under the aegis of Aryan Educational Trust, dedicates itself to achieve excellence in technical education in our country. Admission open for the academic through Orissa JEE, AIEEE and lateral entry. In pursuit of its excellence, personal values and social concern, we have a team of experienced faculty members of national and international repute under the able leadership of our principal, Professor Dr. S.Y., former Dean of CAET and CET Bhubaneswar, and our chairperson, Dr. Madhumita Parida. For admissions, contact City Office, 32 Forest Park, 1st floor, Bhubaneswar. Phone 0674 2595071 801 81622025. Visit us at www.aryan.ac.in. Email aryan.edu23@gmail.com. Campus at Aryan Institute of Engineering and Technology, AIET, Arya Vihar, Barakuda, Post Panchagaon, Bhubaneswar. Approved by AICTE, affiliated to BPUT.